Well, here we are at the start of the Flying Scotsman, one of the premier rallies, and over 90 cars from the early 1900s to, I suppose, the 1950s, and it's going to be 700 miles in 3 days.
David, wearing your other hat as the chairman of Motorsport UK, what do you think of the classic rally scene at the moment, and particularly now the vintage rally scene?
No, you look at modern cars and they do a fantastic job. They're wonderful machines and great to go to work in the morning or from A to B, but they're not much fun, if I'm honest with you. These cars are sensational, and what better way to experience these cars than to go on an event like the Flying Scotsman?
The roads are outrageous.
Well, it seemed easier than expected at the beginning, but soon in for a bit of a shock.
Wheels don't always fit on the asphalt, but that's what grass is for.
We have had a good day, actually. We just got a feeling that we did okay.
I think the Ford was possibly a bit deep. Bill, Lee, you've climbed up the leaderboard. You're threatening now to win the Flying Scotsman.
Far too early to call that.
Keep it sideways.
That's always.
Well, the Flying Scotsman is something really special.